Good morning and welcome. I am so happy to see you today. I hope you're doing well and feeling happy and you got a good night's rest. We are waking up in our household and the sun is shining and it feels so good to be here and now today. So, as usual, when I came down the stairs this morning, I found the puppets. And they were creating something. And when I went over and asked them what they were doing, they told me a wonderful story. And I think they would like to tell you as well. Do you want to hear it? Me too. All right. You too. Should we share with all the kids at home what you were creating this morning? Right, yes, I want to share. Hi, good morning. It's so nice to see you. Wonderful, wonderful. Good morning to you. Okay, so, as some of you know, yesterday, Miss Bunny and I got in a little bit of a tiff. That means we were kind of upset with each other. It was before bedtime, right, Miss Bunny? Right, it was right before bedtime. I was really tired and was trying to get comfortable. And you know, as puppets, we don't have very much room. We have to share a bedroom. So I was tossing and I was turning and I was trying to get comfortable and Foxy was too close to me. Oh, and I felt myself just get mad inside and so sorry, Foxy. It's all right. You're explaining a story. I kicked her. I kicked her right in the back. And I got really sad. I'm sorry, Foxy. Oh. I was really upset, so I kicked her in the back because I didn't feel like I had enough room to sleep, and I was frustrated. And I was really hurt. Miss Bunny and I are usually very good friends. It felt really sad to me. Yeah, they both were having such big feelings. Yeah. And did it feel good to be angry with each other? No, it didn't. It really didn't feel good. Right. So, we talked about how when you're upset, that first of all, it's okay to feel that way. And second of all, to share with someone else how you're feeling is really powerful. So, with the help of Slothy yesterday, Foxy, right, and not to hurt somebody. With the help of Slothy yesterday, Foxy was able to share with Miss Bunny how she was feeling about the situation. Yes. So can you tell them what happened and what you guys said? Of course. So I said, Miss Bunny, I feel really hurt when you kick me in the back. I need you to talk to me when you're feeling angry instead of hurt my body. That was really, really brave, Foxy, to tell Miss Bunny her feelings. It's a little bit hard to hear, though, because then I feel embarrassed. Yeah, it's okay to feel embarrassed. I really didn't want to hurt Foxy. Oh, Foxy, I'm sorry. Right, Miss Bunny, it's okay. I want to be friends. Oh, aren't they so sweet? Right. And so then Miss Bunny and Foxy, when they woke up this morning, they decided to do something together to repair their relationship.
And I have an idea.
Okay, can they share what they were doing first, and then you can share your thought. I love it. We're all brainstorming. I want to show you guys because maybe you'll want to make one of these today, or maybe you'll want to make one of these when you get upset with each other. They were making a repair. Is it okay if I use my hands to show the kids what you were making? Yes, you may. Wonder, you want to hold me? Evie, you want to hold me? Okay, great. Here we go. So, as you can see, they both have string. They were using their hands, and they were sewing something together. Look at what they were making. You see? You see? What are they making? They're making a beautiful heart. And do you see how they've each sewn in part of the heart to bring it together and repair? What does repair mean, kiddos? Fix. Right. So just like they fixed this heart together because it was in pieces, and now it's together. Just like they fixed the heart, they were fixing their relationship. Yeah. So maybe when you are feeling upset with a friend or a sibling, after you talk about your feelings, you could do something together, like a puzzle, a coloring page, a sewing card. And then how do you guys feel now that you've talked about your feelings, you've got it all out, you've heard each other, heard, not hurt. You've heard each other and you've done something together. How do you feel now? Oh, I feel so much better. I feel kind of like a balloon, like flying high instead of like sinking to the ground. I feel so much better too. I don't feel scared of Foxy because I'm not feeling as embarrassed. And you know what we decided? Shall we tell him? Yes, we should. We really like sewing together. You like to sew? Oh, yes, we love to sew together. Oh, will that be something you guys continue to do? Oh, right. We will. We'll continue to do it all the time, especially when we're feeling upset. Maybe if we start getting upset, Foxy, we can just start sewing together. Right, that'd be a lovely idea. And I think Evie has an idea she would like to share. Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you for sharing. You're welcome.
Over there, because where you sleep actually has 3 letters, just the instruments are on the other 2.
Okay.
I cleared out the second layer so you guys won't be so squished.
So they have more room where they're sleeping?
So we can put some of you on the top and some of you on the bottom.
That's a really good idea. Now the puppet area isn't so crowded, huh? Yeah. Hey, Wonder and Evie, when you guys get upset with each other, what are some strategies that you do?
The shawl that Ryder made me helps me because
the what that Ryder made you?
This with the margin.
Oh, the shawl. The shawl Ryder made you helps. Mm-hmm. Yeah, when you're feeling upset?
Well, it's just because we get upset more, and he cut me a bunch of different pieces of clothing when we were all younger, and it helps me it reminds me of him, and it feels really good.
Yeah, that almost reminds me of the sewing that Miss Bunny and Foxy did. Ryder made something for Evie when she was upset. It feels good to wear something and to create things when we're feeling upset or feeling any kind of feelings. I wonder what you'll create today out of your feelings. Feel free to let us know. If you show us what you're creating, what you're doing today, or an activity that you're doing, the puppets would love to send you a message back. All right? I think we're done. Have a wonderful day.